on the wheelie stand at TIMTOS in Taiwan. I'm with a gentleman, Eric Liu. Now, these machines in the UK are available from Whitehouse Machine Tools. This is a brand new machine to the wheelie range. Eric, this is a horizontal machining centre. This is the HMC 630. When was this machine first seen? Is it here?
It's just announced today.
Okay, so how long has it been in development? How long have you been developing and designing?
Yeah, about 1.5 years.
Okay, what's good about it? Let's cut to the chase. What's good about this machine? Why is this going to be a success for you?
Because our biggest competitor is from Japan, and then our most competitive future is we can produce reasonable cost of the machine, and we can fight. We can against with Japanese machine tools builder.
Okay, so cost is one thing, but what about the quality though? Is there any compromise?
Yeah, quality must be the same, like similar to the Japanese.
Okay, the cost is good, the quality's right. Is it a quick machine?
It's quick, yeah, same as Japanese. Okay, I should say, for example, the spindle speed, this one is BT50, and then spindle speed is 12,000 RPM. And then all the feed rate is 60 meters per minute. It's the same as like a Japanese machine, but we are going to fight with a Japanese machine.
As a brand, though, with the wheelie brand, are you known well enough in this market? Have you been doing this long enough to be able to ensure the machines last many years?
Yeah, because we 2 years ago we already announced our HMC 500, and since then, we already sold more than 25 sets worldwide market. So the machine is through a customer using. We are sure, we are confident that we are.
You're using some of the technology in the 500 to bring across to the 630.
Yes.
Okay, so the 630 standard 630 pallet.
630 pallet, yes.
2 pallets, twin pallet machine.
Twin pallet, yes, right. Yeah.
What I like about this machine, when I had a look inside it, is actually how the insides are laid out as well. Quite neat how the swarf falls away into one central column.
Yes, right. And also you have some option, like because this is a show, so we don't put coolant. Actually, we have a roof flat coolant to can flush the chip down to the chip conveyor.
Okay, so you've got to pay attention to that, because when you're machining lots of metal, you need to get rid of the swarf. So you've covered that one off, Eric. I was going to ask you about, you talk about Japanese competition. They often offer extensive options on their tool changes. Do you offer that on these machines?
This standard is a 40 tool packet, and can be grade to a 62 or 120.
Okay, now the UK market would look at a machine like this, maybe the automotive industry, production components. Is that where you're aiming?
Yes, right. Automatic or parts machining, mostly, yeah.
And do you have a target for how many of these machines you think you'll sell then in the next year?
Maybe a month, between 2 to 5, and then a year maybe. We hope.
I'm sure you're going to have a lot of success, Eric. Horizontal machining centres now available from Whitehouse Machine Tools in the UK in the form of these wheelie brand, and this one is the HMC 630, a brand new machine to the range, high performance horizontal machining centre.